Hi, I'm Ira, VP Product at Chapter. Today, I'm going to tell you about our new client portal.
Innovation is key even in an industry like renovations. That's why we've created our client portal, keeping you up to date on your project, providing daily progress photos, and an up-to-date schedule of what is happening when. You'll be able to communicate with your project manager whenever you need to, right from the portal. Say goodbye to searching through threads of emails and miscommunications. Keep all your important data and papers in one spot. Everything from designs to appliance warranty documents. Your project-related financials are also available right at your fingertips. Everything from milestone payments to material purchasing. Picking out designs has never been easier. Choose them at your own pace, at your own convenience. The best part? You can get to all of this from anywhere, at any time, using any device. Stay up to date with your renovations project no matter where you are. It's all just one click away.